everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic Happy Planner the vertical layout for June 1st through the 7th. For this week's theme, I'm going to use rose gold. I'm really excited about this. I think rose gold is so pretty, and so I had fun going through all my stickers trying to find ones that had rose gold in them. The washi tape that I have that has rose gold has this kind of teal and rose gold stripes, kind of some slashed stripes. Okay, so I've gone ahead and pre-selected some stickers. Got my big quote sticker here, which isn't that big, but it's rose gold and it says, "Busy building my empire." Isn't that for sure? Always have a lot going on with my creative endeavors. And I have my box sticker over here. Hooray for the weekend. I just love these rose gold sets. Makes it so easy to pick stickers that have rose gold in them. I have two of the same one there, so I got that. Add some decorative elements here. I just love that color combination. Find your happy. I think that's really cute together. Put a checklist there. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, I need some kind of, oh, I can use one of these. Okay, I think I'll put this here. I can find kind of that minty color. Yeah, that matches. Okay. Oh, and I think I might have a rose gold happy planner sticker. Let me see here. Okay, so there we have it. There's my rose gold layout, and the good news is I seem to have duplicates of the rose gold stickers, so I will be able to do a variation on this layout color combination again sometime in the future. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of more content I post, hit that subscribe button. Until then, or next time, thanks guys, bye.